Welcome to one of the most spectacular view homes in all of Corona Del Mar, 2215 Pacific Drive, Corona Del Mar. This home has 4 levels and has a wonderful elevator. Let's take a look inside. Some of the features that this kitchen has to offer. We have the beautiful corbels that are featured throughout this peninsula. And something you don't see often, of course, are these custom drawers alongside of the front side. And as we come into the kitchen, you have the spice racks, both on this side and also hidden near our cooktop. And we have the appliance garage, so that we can hide some of the unsightly appliances that we don't like to show our guests. And throughout the kitchen, you'll see the dental moldings surrounding the kitchen. And the stone in the kitchen is tropical delicatus. It's an unusual stone that you don't see often. And it's just gorgeous, and in certain lights, it just sparkles. And of course, you have your gourmet cooktop that is also from Decor with 6 high-end professional burners. This home has some of the most spectacular finishes, as you can see. Again, the beautiful ornate woodwork. And over here, you have, hidden behind this cabinet, a little office setup. This home is all about view. Let's take a look. The view here is one of the most gorgeous views that you'll ever see in Southern California, overlooking the Newport Bay here, and it is front row during the holidays for the boat parade. And off to this side here, you can see it looks so much like the Mediterranean, and it is just spectacular. The home begins on the first level, and the master bedroom and additional bedrooms are located down below. Let's take a look downstairs now.